Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Second Punjab Employees Social Security Institution Conference on Obstetrics and Gynecology was held this week at Government Nawaz Sharif Social Security Hospital, Lahore. The theme of this conference was Innovations in Women's Health from Evidence to Excellence. President College of Physicians and Surgeons Pakistan, Professor Dr. Khalid Masood Gondal, graced the conference as the chief guest. Legendary figures of the medical profession and teacher of teachers, Professor Rashid Latif Khan, Vice Chancellor Rashid Latif Medical University, Vice Chancellor King Edward Medical University, and Director General National Residency Program of CPSP, Professor Mahmood Ayaz, Principal SIMS Professor Zohra Khanam, ex-Principal AMC Professor Sardar Al Farid Zafar, and Principal University College of Medicine and Dentistry, University of Lahore, Professor Mehwish Arooj, specially graced the ceremony with their presence as guests of honor. This graceful mega event was organized by Patron in Chief Dr. Ghazala Iftikhar and her team, including Dr. Shagufta Jabbar and Dr. Zille Huma from Department of Obs and Gynae. Commissioner PESI Mr. Muhammad Ali, Vice Commissioner Mr. Tawqir Ilyas Chima, Medical Superintendent Dr. Muhammad Waqas Rashid, and Dr. Humaira Buzdar, Medical Advisor PESI, were also present on this occasion. The inaugural ceremony started with the recitation of verses from the Holy Quran, followed by national anthem. After the welcome address of Dr. Ghazala Iftikhar, Principal SIMS Professor Zohra Khanam delivered a lecture as keynote speaker. Eminent speakers shared their experience, including Professor Dr. Mehwish Arooj and Professor Sardar Al Farid Zafar. Vice Chancellor King Edward Medical University and DG NRP of CPSP, Professor Mahmood Ayaz delivered a thought-provoking address on quality and standards, especially in the research, giving the examples of three renowned medical institutions, that is, College of Physicians and Surgeons Pakistan, King Edward Medical University, and Fatma Jinnah Medical University, Lahore. He also appreciated the leadership of these institutions. Legendary teacher Professor Rashid Latif Khan delivered an inspirational and motivational speech narrating various experiences of his own life. The participants highly appreciated his address. While highlighting the role of CPSP in the promotion of postgraduate medical education, he said,
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। CPSP की रिकॉग्निशन जो आज है वो 40 साल पहले नहीं थी। 40 साल पहले नहीं थी, बल्कि जब CPSP बना नया नया तो लोगों को शक था कि ये ज़रूरत भी है पाकिस्तान की, ये कुछ कर भी पाएगा पाकिस्तान के लिए। लेकिन जैसे महमूद याद ने बताया, अब तो रिवर्स फ्लो है। जब 1958-59 में रॉयल कॉलेज ऑफ सर्जन्स ने पार्ट 1 लाहौर में शुरू किया, प्राइमरी कहते थे उसको, तो हम सब बड़े खुश हुए कि अब प्राइमरी का इम्तिहान हम लाहौर से पास करके चले जाएंगे। वो काफ़ी देर फंक्शनल रहा, यानी वो हम पे एहसान कर रहे थे कि उनका इम्तिहान यहाँ पे। जब मैं अब देखता हूँ वो कोई ऐटा वटा एहसान भी नहीं सी, क्योंकि जस्ट इम्तिहान लेने के लिए आना, आपसे पैसे ले लेना और कुछ कैंडिडेट को पास और फेल करे जाना, ये क्या कंट्रीब्यूशन थी हमारे लिए? जीरो। इट डिड नॉट इम्प्रूव आवर एजुकेशन, डिड नॉट हेल्प इन हेल्थ केयर। लेकिन हम उनके फिर भी ममनून थे, हम उनके फिर भी ममनून थे। और इस जो जाल था उसमें से निकाला हमें CPSP में। बात ये हुई कि शुरू में जितने हमारे प्रोफेसर स्पेशलिस्ट थे वो बाहर से ट्रेनिंग लेके आते हैं, जनरली इंग्लैंड से। लोकल सर्टिफिकेशन को हम वो वक़्त ही नहीं देते थे, क्योंकि उसमें खामियां भी थी। लेकिन अब FCPS जहाँ अप्लाई करे, doesn't matter whether somebody is MRCP, FRCS, अमेरिकन बोर्ड, तो ये एक बहुत बड़ी हमारे लिए, सबके लिए, कौम के लिए, पाकिस्तान के लिए एक बहुत बड़ा ब्रेक थ्रू है जो जनरल बरकी ने शुरू किया। उसको अब जो टीम बैठी हुई है, महमूद याज, खालिद गोंदल और इनके साथ ही आगे बढ़ा रहे हैं। तो थैंक यू सर फॉर सर्विंग पाकिस्तान को।
The chief guest, Professor Dr. Khalid Masood Gondal, President CPSP, updated the participants about the achievements of CPSP for the promotion of postgraduate medical education. He presented the statistics, especially with the reference of OBS and gynae and its subspecialties including urogynecology, maternal fetal medicine, gynecological oncology, reproductive endocrinology, and infertility. The chief guest also appreciated the administration of Government Nawaz Sharif Social Security Hospital Lahore for following the CPSP criteria to maintain the quality and standards in training and teaching of postgraduate medical education. He said that currently there are 133 trainees and 14 supervisors that are serving at Government Nawaz Sharif Social Security Hospital Lahore. The Commissioner of Punjab Employees Social Security Institution, Mr. Muhammad Ali, thanked all the participants for their presence and extended his full support for the educational and research activities. The ceremony concluded with the distribution of shields and group photo with the chief guest, President CPSP, Professor Dr. Khalid Masood Gondal. Thank you.